Your music sounds amazing, it really has a vibe. But here's the real question. Why let it exist only as sound, when it could be seen and felt as a story? Welcome to BeatViz, your personal AI music creative director. Before we dive in, let's make one thing clear. BeatViz isn't just another AI music video generator. It works more like an AI agent. It understands your audio, then helps you decide the right models, visuals, and generation workflow. So instead of jumping between different tools or struggling with long, complicated prompts, you just tell BeatViz what you want, and it handles the rest. In this video, we're starting with the most important step. Turn your music into an AI video with BeatViz fast. Alright, let's get into it. What you're looking at now is the BeatViz homepage. Every project starts here. Think of it as your creative entry point. You don't need to write a long script up front. Just tell it the direction you have in mind. You can paste a Suno link, or upload your own MP3 file. And here's something important to remember. In BeatViz, your audio is the starting point of everything. The AI first understands your music, then decides how to build the visuals around it. Once you upload your audio, just click Generate Video. That's basically you telling BeatViz. Alright, let's get to work. Before generating, choose your mode. You have Standard mode and Professional mode. Standard is simple and fast. Professional mode is customizable. Pick what fits your needs. Need ideas? Start with Content mode. Storytelling for full narratives. Dancing for rhythm and movement. Singing for vocal performance.
When you look me in the eyes, I can see a million stars.
Abstract for pure visuals.